To set up Gemini AI on Nothing Phone 2a+, first of all, you will have to go into Google application. Now click on the right upper corner and you will have to go for settings. Next, you will have to scroll a little bit and select Gemini. Now open it with Google application for sure. There we go. And now we have to scroll all the way down, click continue, scroll all the way down and tap to use Gemini. Now as you can see, we got the Gemini settings, like for example, the Gemini's voice.
I'm ready to be your voice.
There we go. The languages. You can also use the Gemini on the lock screen. And there's also, Google Assistant features in Gemini. So we can access features powered by Google Assistant when you are using voice with Gemini. And here we can simply choose between the Google Assistant and the Gemini. So now when I'm gonna click and hold the power button, the Gemini is gonna pop up right here.